Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John. I got another quick video for you. This is going to be with the installation of the Kiddie Firex smoke detector. It's going to be the hardwire and 9-volt battery. This was a pretty easy installation to put in. I had an electrician come in. They removed the base plate, as you can see from the very bottom, and then they just unplugged the wiring from the old one and then just replugged it into the new one. It came with the battery already. They did a quick test, and I'm very pleased with it. So as you can see, it looks good. Everything went smooth. In fact, it only took them about 15 minutes. I do recommend that. I mean, there's certain things that you can do yourself, but when it comes to smoke detectors, you probably want to have a licensed electrician come in and take care of it. Um, Again, I'm pleased with it. It was a quick purchase on Amazon. I'm happy with it. And as you can see from my other videos, if you go to my YouTube channel and playlist, you can see the um, unboxing and you can also see from the manual. So again, really happy. It's going to be the Kiddie Firex smoke detector. And there you go, installation. You guys have a good day. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.